any of those guys you think, or a couple of guys you think might have a leg up on, earning that role there in the slot?
Yeah, I think the Ruffin, Justin Ruffin is a guy that would be my number one look at the slot. I think there's a couple other individuals that can step into that, but Ruffin right now would be the guy that I'm looking for to potentially fill that role. And again, who knows? Maybe that changes because that's a true freshman, and they'll have a full month to get ready for that first game against San Jose State. But I know they really liked what he added in spring ball.